Yeah, what's up? It's Eddie, you know, just wanted to drop something right here for you guys, like something that will lift your spirits up. Yeah, like had one of those hectic days, man. Like I woke up early, 3 o'clock in the morning, like had to go to Joburg, came back, went to main lane, like afterwards I had to go, I rushed back to the office, like didn't do much there. So now I'm back home, like in my bedroom, very exhausted, like had lots of refreshments, like just to refresh my body, man, like to keep it active, like didn't want to sleep early tonight, man. Like just wanted to sleep late. I'm not actually waking tomorrow, so can wake up at whenever time I want to, like you know lots of activities tomorrow, like I haven't yet, like decided what I'm gonna do tomorrow, I was supposed to go to church today, with like a men's fellowship there, like just couldn't go there, man. Like think if I was able to go there, man, I don't think I would have managed, man. Like my body's tired, man. Like just need to rest, man. So now I'm about to pray for all of you, pray for all of you. I know like some of you, man, that don't pray when you go to bed. So like you need to practice that. It needs to be like on your schedule. Like just set up a small prayer. Like before you even like rush to bed. Like doesn't care on a situation that you are in. Like even if you're from a nightclub, just set up like a little prayer. Like come like Jesus said, come as you are, man. So, like come as you are, man. Like, a lot of you guys now there, are trying to fight all these addictions, So at the end of the day, like you need to pray for that addiction, man. Like at the end of the day, like I knew there are a lot of you out there frustrated, like trying to like hook up like like nice jobs, like businesses. At the end of the day, man, like it's not easy, like just have to pray, God will give you the strength, to move on, and don't let people put you down, like surround yourself with, the right crew, business minded, positive people at the end of the day, people who will actually contribute towards your growth, man. At the end of the day, like it's your life, man. It's about time you make some like critical decisions. It's about time you examine your friends, who you hang out with, like who you go out with, man. Like don't do things out of desperation. Don't do things out of like don't wanna be like don't wanna feel like fit in a way like in the patterns of this world, man. Just live your life, man. That's it, you know. About to pray and go to bed. I hope like what I said just now, gave you strength, encouraged you, man, to go out there and get what is yours, man. To start, looking at your life, like making proper decisions and like building up for the future. That's it, I'm about to go to bed. Hope you guys have a fantastic, evening. Yes, good night. Peace.